Anybody use a steamer? I don't use mine all the time, but I like the benefits when I do. My hair seems more manageable and happy about it. Some say it's really good for low porosity hair, and that's when your hair doesn't easily absorb moisture. And the steam makes it easier for the moisture to get in because it helps with opening up the hair cuticle. Some other benefits steaming has is that it improves scalp health, it improves elasticity, it reduces breakage, and it enhances hair growth. Do all of this in moderation though, because things can go left if you do it too much. Exposure to too much moisture. When the hair cuticle is exposed to a high amount of moisture, the balance between protein and moisture can be disturbed, and it can make the hair really soft and stringy and greasy. And we don't want that. If you learned something new today, drop a heart and shop Crown Essentials. And if you didn't, drop one anyway, because why not? Bye, y'all.